about that. And if we go further to the top, if we go further to the top from left to right, let me mention that there's more functions here that you should know about. Like, let me say, you have some more actions that can be taken on your query. Like the pass I already mentioned earlier on, it helps you, it tells you if your query is correct or not. Okay, it tells you if your query is correct or not, and then you can execute, if you want to confirm if what you wrote is correct. And after the pass, I think we have the estimated execution plan. Estimated execution plan, and it's one of those tools that you'll be needing for performance tuning. We have the execution plan, we have the actual execution plan, and we have the most recent one, which is the live query statistic. So if I hit this one, if I highlight this execution plan and then run a query, let me highlight, you see, it just beside the message just gave me the execution plan for this query that I just ran. So that's how that actually works. Okay, so, and you can do the same thing for the actual execution plan. You do the same thing and it's going to give you a result that will, let me see, yeah, it will give you a result, and then it gives you the execution plan as well. Before, we used to have result and message, but now it gives you the execution plan for that query, for that command as well. And we have the live, we have included statistics, which if you want that, you can also do that. And that is also going to give you statistics, basic information about this other kind of information that you need to know about the command. And going further, we also have the option of, let me see what, so if you choose to view this query in text form, you can use this, highlight this one over here, and then run the query. Then it's going to bring out the result in text form. That's how that works. And we can undo it and go further. Let me see what else you might want to know here. Okay, you can comment. You can comment. You can decide to comment something on the query by just hitting this, and now it's now informed. It's not a comment. It's not a comment. Like the window, the query window is more or less is like a text editor, and you can write notes in it and all of that, and execute it and all of that. You can use it as a note as well. That's what this is meant for. And if you can as well uncomment that. Okay, you can uncomment, and I think if you want to indent the queries here, you can indent it. You see, you can unindent is more or less this, and then you can unindent. So that is that on that, and you can do all of that. And if you want to close the tab, you can close by simply clicking this sign, this X here, Xing out, or you simply right click on it and it will give you the option to close all the documents. So if you have more than different windows open here, you to close everything at once, or you just close one after the other. And you have the option of saving the particular query, or you just say no. And the same thing over here, you can right click and close, or you simply close out by Xing out. And going back to, so observe that three things has happened over here just now. You add the, let me quickly open one of these again. And so you have the Object Explorer, you have the query window, and you have the results section. Okay, just to recap. And if you want to undo like want to go back to this, you can always Control R, and the results section will go out of place, will disappear. So every time you execute something and you want to continue, and you don't want to see this anymore, you just Control R, and that's it. And so we are back to the Object Explorer, and for you to disconnect an instance, there are two ways to do that. You can either right click on the instance and disconnect, or you can disconnect by simply clicking this disconnect plug here, and we just do that, and it's as simple as that. Thank you, and I hope this video is helpful.